I told you life is a beautiful moment.
Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Miss Wada and today I'm going to be styling a new wig I got from Invite You Hair. I already bleach, washed, and plucked this wig. In this video, I will be blow drying, flat ironing, and wand curling this wig. And I want to apologize if my voice is a little choppy, I am sick. But back to the video, the wig that I'm styling is a 22-inch 427 highlighted body wave human hair 13x4 HD lace wig. It came pre-plucked, but I plucked it a little bit more. I blow dried one side of the wig off camera, but in this clip, I'm going to blow dry the other side on camera. I am going to speed this clip up because it's just me blow drying the wig. It's nothing special. I do it after every bleach and wash. One thing I loved about this hair, it was very soft after being blow dried, and this hair did not become brittle or rough after being blow dried. It never gave stiff, okay? Like, look at that shake. The link to this hair will be in the description. So here's me attempting to do my baby hairs, but I ended up changing my mind because I felt like I laid and plucked the hair too well to ruin it with baby hairs. Like, come on. Here I'm trying to achieve that long sideburn like little situation. I can't find a picture of it, but it's like they'll have the long sideburn and their hair will be curled, but that's what I'm trying to do, and it did eat up, but not how I wanted it to. So anyway, here I'm just flat ironing both sideburns. Right here, I'm just getting ready to put this heat protectant on my hair so I can flat iron it. I was just showing y'all I did not use a lot because that's a very small section, so I'm not gonna use a lot. Anyway, my flat irons were on 350 while flat ironing this hair. I did already flat iron one side. This is just me flat ironing the other side. And I'm about to speed up this part too because it's just me flat ironing my hair. There's nothing really like special about it. Look at the material though. Oh, okay, yeah. Back to the speed up though. Yeah, look, I can't be serious at all. But I had to get that lip gloss and try again, and I ate down. Yeah, I do not know why it looks like I'm mugging, like, oh my gosh. But get into the lace. Anyway, this is the part where I'm about to start wand curling my hair. And as you can see, I'm curling to the back, or really to the bottom. But honestly, I don't really care about the curls at the back. So, like, yeah, as long as it's curled, that's fine with me. Because I hate when the front is curled, but the back is just straight. It just looks weird. I was gonna speed this up, but since this is my first video, I guess I could take this time to talk about my content and what I'm going to be posting. So it's not just gonna be hair, like wigs, braids and stuff. It's gonna be like makeup, but lifestyle, probably a little food here and there. But yeah, it's not just gonna be wigs and stuff. But I might speed it up because I have nothing else to say. I hope y'all like, comment, share, and subscribe, you know. curls eat so much. Oh my word, they're so cute. Okay, so I'm just gonna grab my Ebin lace spray in a black can and I'm gonna spray it on the curls. I don't like it as a lace spray, but for curls, for them to hold, it's actually pretty good. And now I'm about to start on the other side. But y'all, get into this hair. It is so cute. Honestly, looking at this video and editing it, I really wish I would have just left it straight because look, it's so cute. But anywho, I'm just gonna speed up this video from here on. I think my phone camera cut off while I was doing the other side. So if it did, I'm just gonna leave after pictures. Okay, so yeah, my phone did end up turning off like I thought, but here's a quick video of me coming out the curls, and I'll leave some pictures for y'all to see the after look. So yeah, thank y'all for watching, and if you did watch this far, leave a unicorn emoji down below. And I was a little disappointed with this side because it's like the curls did not take, but it was still cute. And honestly, in my opinion, when it comes to getting curls to act right, especially like the bang curls, a razor will be your best friend. I'm not even gonna lie. I appreciate everyone who has watched until this point. Thank you. Bye.